my name is Axel. We're back with another product with hobbyzobby.com. Today we have a different category of product. It's hard to classify exactly which category, but you get to be the judge of that. Now, is it a boat or is it an airplane? Let's go find out. So this is going to be a little bit of a challenge. I'm not used to this. It's got aileron rudder here on the right stick, and we have on the left stick ailerons. So all my life I've been flying RC airplanes, and the aileron's been on the right hand side, so this is going to be tricky to fly unless we could just get away with flying with the rudder.
There you go. Can you bring it closer? Yeah. Auto? Go this way and take off. There you go. Just don't crash into the ground.
Oh, there it is.
There you go.
Oh, fuck, we're fucked now.
That's not good.
How are we gonna get this thing out of the water?
What just happened? It's just, yeah.
That's not what we intended on. so yeah, this is a handful for anyone to fly. It's if you've flown RC airplanes, it's still a challenge. If you have boating experience, it's obsolete. So I don't know. Let's see if I could. Hold on.
Flip it, flip it.
How am I gonna flip it?
I have no idea, but we didn't intend it to go that way.
How are we gonna get this back? Should we go rent a boat?
Yeah, you have to rent a boat.
So they have some boats for rent here, but other than that, if you rent it, it seems like there's a point in which you can't cross. They have these balloons already placed. So let's go find out what we can do to get this thing back without swimming. And this water is dirty. You don't really want to swim here. Pretty nasty. That's pretty cool. So he said that he's gonna come with us. He'll save us some time if we go get the boat. I don't know what that means. I don't know if he meant we're gonna go with the boat or
go with the boat to save the boat.
Really? So we're gonna. Hi, can we help you?
Oh, hi, yes, you wanted to ask 2 questions.
Axel's on that boat right there. I couldn't get on, so I'm recording it at least from here.
Yeah, closer by way over here before. There it goes.
There it is.
So it seems like it's in a few different pieces now. It's been upside down for some time. There it is. Gonna repair it and put it back in the water soon. So if you feel like you have that RC airplane enthusiasm and you want something completely different, or you're a RC boater who's looking for a big challenge, get one of these and see what kind of a challenge it is to try to fly it. It feels like just flying a wing, but it's completely unlike anything that you've ever flown. Thank you guys for watching this video. My name's Axel with hobbyzobby.com. If you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for much more RC videos.